Right now, we're in the middle of a silent biological revolution which will enable us to treat patients in a completely different way in the near future. So Testa Center is an innovation hub for biological production. Here we have state-of-the-art bioprocessing equipment, and we give expert guidance to scientists when they want to take the first step into their industrialization journey. Our primary clients are startups and academic innovation projects and students. The value that they generate here in Testa Center is a little bit different from project to project. Many of the academic groups want to generate large amounts of material. Many of the startups want to generate scalability and manufacturability and sometimes do technical runs. All of them generate knowledge around their biological production process. So our technical capabilities here in Testa Center covers upstream, midstream and downstream, all the way from lab scale and up to pilot scale. We also have analytical capabilities to support a regular bioprocess run. The type of molecules that can be scaled at Testa Center are monoclonal antibodies, but also peptides, vaccines, viral vectors and mRNA. There's a lot of research going on here. But if I should highlight some of the therapies that the scientists are scaling, it's therapies for cancer and autoimmune diseases. So we're contributing to the precision medicine that we see today. My belief is that we in the future will be able to cure some of the diseases that we cannot cure today.